It was once the royal dish in the Mysore palace. Now, most occasions are incomplete without a serving of Mysore Pak. In Bengaluru, amidst the chaotic traffic on a narrow road at Chickpete, sits the Sri Venkateshwara Sweetmeat Stall. This stall has been in the sweet making business for 100 years now. Its most popular items are the Mysore Pak and dum root. This recipe has been passed on through generations, and the chefs follow a series of steps and techniques. The gram dal is selected, ground, and sautéed, and the ghee is then added in stages. They also use a special fragrant cardamom powder. Also, there is a secret formula.
This was invented by my grandfather, Mr. Sri Venkateshwara Sweetmeat. It has a history of 100 years, and now we the third generation are taking it forward, following our dad's footprints, Mr. V. Nagraj.
The stall is packed at all times, but especially during the Karaga season. Crowds descend from various parts of Karnataka to get a taste of the famous Mysore Pak.